Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to create a 3D model from scratch in SolidWorks. So if any one of you is preparing for CSWA certification exam, which is certification for SolidWorks Associate exam, this video is perfect for you. I recommend you to have this PDF file along with you while solving the problems so that you can practice variety of problems or solve mock papers at home. You can get this PDF file from the Sol System SolidWorks official website. I'll try to mention the link in the comment section or in the description box. So let's get started with section A, problem 5. So let's see what things they have told us to define. First is the unit system should be in IPS. So there are two ways from where you can change your unit system. First is check the right bottom corner. You can change your unit system from here as well. And the second method is go to Tools, Options, Document Properties, Units, and here also you can change your unit system. So we'll change the unit system to IPS. Now the decimal places they have told us to mention is 4. So by default we have 2 here. So we'll click on this and change it to 4. Okay, so we have changed everything. Okay. Material type is steel. Material is cast alloy steel. So we'll go to materials, edit material. So under steel category, you will find cast alloy steel. Also, the density given here is 0.2637 lb per inches cube. Yes, so the mass density value shown in the chart is also the same. Also check whether we have changed this to English IPS because most of the time it's still, even after changing the unit system, this still shows up as Newton per meter square in pascals. So make sure it is in IPS, apply and close. Now you can see that your material is changed. It will show up here. Next is they have given us a hint. This part can be built using only one features and they have also given us the mass solution. So our mass solution should also be the same for our 3D model. Now let's start. You can see the drawing views here. Let's start with the top plane. We'll select the center rectangle. This is 0.4. Our rectangle is fully defined. We'll go to features, boss extrude. And you can see that the extrusion is 0.3. We'll keep the same direction. Okay. Now let's select this face and sketch. I'll take a circle. Now I'll give dimensions to the circle. You can see that the radius of this arc is 0.4. So our circle's diameter will be 0.8. Unselect this. Let's give relations. So I want this point of this edge to coincide with the circle. Similarly on the other side. Okay. Now let's choose polygon and let's give dimensions. This should be 0.5. Make sure that this edge is parallel with this. Give some more dimensions. So you can see this to the center of the circle. It should be 0.2. 0.25. Also, this to this. Okay, it is not allowing. Let's define relation. Okay. Now that my polygon is also fully defined, let's choose line and draw a straight line. So let's cut this polygon and the circle with this line and choose trim entities. With the help of trim, I'm going to trim these entities since I want to create this cut. Okay. Now I will provide this dimension. Okay. Now that my sketch is fully defined, I'll go to features, boss extrude. I'll choose the opposite direction and same point 3. You can now see that I've created this portion. Now it's time to create this other extrusion. So we'll select this face, create a sketch. Similarly, referring the previous step, I'll draw a circle. I'll give the dimensions. Again, I'll define this as point 0.8. I'll give some relations. I'll give coincident relation between this point and the circle. Okay. Now I'll again choose polygon and draw a polygon from the center of this circle. 0.5. I'll give this relation. Also, I'll define this parallel relation. Now that my sketch is fully defined, I'll again go to features, boss extrude. I'll change the direction. I'll keep it as point 0.3 and done. Let's choose top plane and go to normal. Now this view is matching with this view. Also go to front plane, normal to. This view is matching with this view. Let's go to isometric view. Okay. Let's go to evaluate mass properties. So this is 0.1448 pounds, 0.1447 lb. So our answer should lie within 1%. So we have got our answer. So our problem is solved. For more such videos, keep following. Thank you so much.